So now Brahm, and the result, Krishna here's the progression. Krishna simply sees the shadow of Radharani's beautiful transcendental Mahabhavati form, Mahabhav Surupini, and then what happens? That's the Udipan, the sight of Radharani's. Radharani's Chaya is a Parakya Bhav Udipan for the Vibhav Alamban Prem Vishaya Krishna. Then his Madhurarati, his Parakya, his Bhav, his intense conjugal love grows by leaps and bounds and becomes Sudipta, totally inflaming, totally blazes through his whole existence, and he breaks out in all sattvic vikars. And then he starts crying and trembling, and his voice chokes up and his hair stands, and then he feels thrill bumps all over his body. And he's trembling. And then Brahm. He becomes Brahmyan. That's the prabhav of Radharani. This is what the verse is saying. This is what Prabhupada Saraswati is saying.